And flooding.
Hey guys,
Flood watch remains in effect.
I'm here with Lego Fanatic 3756
Northern Delaware, northeast
and a special marine warning
Pennsylvania, including
was just
the following
issued.
areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle, in northeast Maryland, Cecil, in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, Hunter.
Oh my gosh! Good morning.
The National Weather Service in New York has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay until 6:30 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds up to 50 knots from 3 nautical miles northwest of Great South Bay to 9 nautical miles southeast.
He's getting one too.
Moving at 45 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Moriches Bay. Moriches Inlet around 6:25 p.m. Shinnecock Bay around 6:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. And Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. Flood